Monitoring hardware and operating system level metrics of a server is a little different when the software doing the monitoring is running inside a Docker container. Node Exporter, which I have right here in this Docker Compose file, is a commonly used tool to analyze system metrics that is often deployed in a Docker container. However, as Node Exporter is designed to monitor the host system, deploying it in a container requires extra steps to avoid monitoring the container and not the host. If you want to use a Dockerized Node Exporter to monitor a host, you need to mount the appropriate host directories into the container while excluding any container-specific directories. This will tell Node Exporter where to find the host system's information while also ignoring the container's details. So continuing with the Node Exporter example, the way Node Exporter gathers system information is through collectors, and collectors are responsible for gathering specific information about a system. For example, some commonly used collectors are, we have one right here, which is processes, and that gathers information about running processes. You also have a Filesystem one, which gathers data on file system usage, meminfo, which is memory usage, and also CPU. And as you can see here, collectors are enabled through the collector and then the name of what you want to collect. So right here is collector.processes. You can also have collector.filesystem and things like that. And the Dockerized Node Exporter instance makes this even easier for us as it has some default collector settings already configured. So if I check out the output, so I have these containers running, and here I have Node Exporter right here. And if I check the logs of it with Node Exporter C, and I scroll all the way up to the top, in all this info, or in all this mess, we can look for collector.filesystem, which we can see we have two of them right here. And we can see under the hood that it is excluding container-specific directories. So we have collector.filesystem exclude, and then we have all these locations, such as virtual files, things of this type, file system fs types exclude, and more stuff over here. So because of these settings, along with the volumes we have mapped into the container, we will analyze our system while ignoring the container that Node Exporter is running in. So once again, back in our docker compose.yaml file, we are mapping in this host system directories, which will then be analyzed, and then we are ignoring the container ones with collector.filesystem. I want to thank you for liking and subscribing. Check out my courses and my software in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.